the Armenian government announced a 6-month ban on importing Turkish goods, in protest against Turkey's support for Azerbaijan in the Karabakh region. The Armenian Ministry of Economy said, the import ban will not lead to an increase in prices in the country, because Turkish goods are not dominant, as imports from Russia, Belarus, Iran and China can replace them. The ban does not include the intermediate elements required to produce Armenian goods. It is noteworthy to mention that Armenia and Azerbaijan agreed on November 10, with Russian mediation, to stop the war in Karabakh and exchange prisoners and dead bodies. The Second Karabakh War began on September 27 and ended on November 10, following the Moscow Agreement between Russia, Azerbaijan and Armenia.